going to show you a tip on soldering jump rings together, so stay tuned. When it comes to soldering a jump ring together, the most important thing to do is to closely look at the gap in the jump ring. This gap has to be closed completely and in alignment, or it's not going to solder. The second thing is to protect the piece you're putting the jump ring on. Protect it from the heat. This can be done by putting it down in your lava rock to cover the stone or the silver and the other soldered pieces as shown here, or putting cool gel on it to keep the heat off of it, which dissipates heat. For the purpose of showing how to solder a jump ring joint, we'll do it with just the jump ring held in place. With the jump ring held in place, take handy flux and flux the joint carefully. Next, we cut a piece of extra easy solder. We heat it up with a torch on a charcoal block, and then it'll roll up into a ball. When it does this, you pick it up with a titanium pick. Okay, next we heat the jump ring up until the flux turns clear, and then we quickly touch the ball of solder to the heated joint, which this will melt it and solder the joint shut. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, when it comes to jump rings, one thing you want to remember is to always put in the right size jump ring for the chain you're using, because chains have jump rings on them also, and they may not go through your jump ring that's on the necklace. And in that case, you have to take the jump ring out and put it through your jump ring and then put a jump ring back in the chain. So it's best to go with a bail or a large jump ring when you have a chain with a large ring on the end or catch on the end. Hey, thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe. Also comment. I try to answer all my comments quickly. Thanks.